Hey everyone, good evening. I'm Chief Meteorologist Darrell Winninger from the Central Oregon Daily Weather Center with a quick look at your most reliable forecast, and we are getting ready for another active weather pattern. Back-to-back systems impacting the Pacific Northwest, each bringing its own set of changes. So let's get into your most reliable forecast. Starting off with our weather headlines for this Wednesday, March the 19th. Rain and snow, yeah, it's on the way with periods of clearing expected and winds just getting gusty. Heavy mountain snow is expected. We're talking to the tune of another 1 to 2 feet, potentially above 4,500 feet. And so that means out of the Tri-County area and through the Cascades, that heavy mountain snow is expected. Now, satellite and radar does show that we have had some light showers pushing through, more like sprinkles. The bulk of this system is still just making landfall. And when we look at the bigger picture, we have a little bit of a ridge of high pressure out over the Pacific Ocean and then our next system. So yesterday, we were tracking a low over the Bering Sea with a cold front coming into the northern Pacific. Now, there's another low redeveloping on the south side of that cold front, and that's going to be the system that rolls through on Friday. But right here and right now, our cameras across the high desert show that it is cloudy from the Cascades through Pine Mountain, and there's just been some showers rolling through. But our roads are relatively dry across the Tri-County area, but that is going to be changing tonight and tomorrow. We are looking at accumulating snow for some parts of the Tri-County area starting in the overnight hours. Now, in the last 24 hours, we topped out in the 40s with a few 30s and 50s, so a little cooler than the forecast had. We also have a winter storm warning through the Cascades, the west slopes of the Cascades until Friday p.m., the east slopes until Thursday p.m. So for the east slopes of the Cascades, that's only taken into account this first front. There's another one, and that one pushes through on Friday. So let's go ahead and dive in. Here through the overnight hours, rain and snow showers are expected. Winds still gusty at times. Periods of clearing starting tonight through Thursday. So some in and out clouds. That's our break between systems. By Thursday at 5 p.m., we still have precipitation on radar, and our next system is about to make landfall. Once that cold front rolls through, we're looking at more rain on Friday. Notice I said rain, less in the way of snow. Some snow through the Cascades, but also a little bit of pink up there. And then we start to see the shift in our weather pattern. By Saturday, a tail end of a warm front pushes through, bringing some rain and snow showers, and then that whole system fizzles out. So a warming trend sets up, and it just keeps going. So between now and Saturday at 11 p.m., a trace to maybe 4 inches, 1 to 2 feet through the Cascades. And for tonight, we're looking at 30s with some 20s. By Thursday, 40s, few 50s and 30s possible with rain and snow showers that start tonight and go through Saturday. Then we get clearing Sunday. And a warming trend sets up that brings us through the 60s and well into the 70s. That's the latest in weather. Tune in tonight to Central Oregon Daily News with the latest headlines and your most reliable forecast. Join us.